Hey dear friends, I hope you are all well. Today I will discuss about Tor browser. Actually, we all know that when using the internet with a computer or mobile device, and IP is required to identify the person or his places. So we know our IP is required to use the internet, right? When we used VPN in different browsers, when the thought that our IP was able to keep him safe, but we don't know actually how much proof this statement is. But in this we can see that I'm in Bangladesh, but it shows us in another country. Actually, it's it's fact. But Tor browser grants us security in many places, which is not possible in favor of VPN service. Tor browser help us keep our location secrets, and Tor browser look like as an onion. I know. We also know. This is exactly how Tor introduces us to secret persons. If the way we like that anonymous, then we must use Tor browser. So open your Linux operating system. Wait, just a minute. Just wait some moment. Sorry. I can open the virtual box. Okay, start. So first of all, we needed to download Tor browser. So let's see how to install Tor browser on our Linux operating system. Okay. So wait. Almost our machine is ready. So just hold on. Okay, give the user root and password. Okay. Okay, well, now open the default browser in Kali Linux. Okay. And type the Tor project Tor project.org. Okay. It's the official site of the Tor. Now simply click on the download Tor browser. Okay. Okay. You can see it will open the download pages, and we can see it's available for Windows, then OS X and Linux and Android operating systems. So I want to need a download of the Linux operating system, so I click download for Linux. Okay, click OK and save files and OK, and see download. It will start. Okay. Just do it for some time. After downloading, needed to go download folder. Download. Okay. And extract the Tor browser file. Extract here. Okay. First of all, are you using root user account? So let's follow it my steps. Okay. So open the Tor browser folder and again the browser folder. Okay. Then double click the Setup Tor Browser. Okay. Now here find the Tor browser bundle should not be run root. Wait. We can try another way. So and we will open it with the help of nano command. So open the terminal here. Okay. Check the ls command. Okay. Then nano. Okay. Enter. It will cut and put the 1. Okay. Now save it. Ctrl plus S and Ctrl plus X. Okay. Now exit the all of file and folder. Okay. So again go the download file. Okay, wait. Download file. Okay. Then double click the Tor browser. Setup. Okay, see. Okay, simply click the connect button. Okay. Now anything we can browse like anonymously. See. We can choose our language. So I want to select English. Okay, I agree. So I hope you like this video. Okay. Everyone will be fine and will always support first. Okay, take care.